Hey, I'm John with Healing Trails Overland. Welcome to episode 2 of the Road to Expo West. On May 13th, 2024, I left Kansas City, Missouri with my dog Charlie, and we drove to Flagstaff, Arizona and attended the Overland Expo West. The plan was, I was leaving for an epic 19-day trip. We had originally planned that after Overland Expo West, that I was going to meet up with my best friend John at the north rim of the Grand Canyon, and then we were going to explore Arizona, Utah, and Colorado. That's not how this trip turned out. We ended up hitting 7 states, over 5,000 miles. We camped outside Area 51. We drove down the strip of Vegas. We saw things and met people that I'm going to share with you. So come along for the ride, watch episode 2, and see how a medically retired cop navigates traveling on his own, meeting people, interacting with people, not having everything planned out. It was stressful, it was hard, but it was the best adventure of my lifetime. So yesterday I left Kansas City at like 4 a.m. and I drove all the way to Edwards, Colorado. I'm west of Vail. I couldn't find a spot. I stopped in one place, it got sketchy, I'll show you the video, and I stayed at the inn at Riverwalk last night, and it was absolutely amazing. I'm gonna shower this morning, eat breakfast, and then head to Green River. So this morning I've got to figure out if there's a new tune that I can download while I'm here, because I'm parked, I'm in civilization. The only thing that makes me nervous is taking off and then it not. I don't know. I'm gonna see. I just installed the newest tune from Tune Plus, so we'll see how it works. It's running okay right now. The real test is to see... Sorry, I was distracted. I was looking at the gauges. The real test is going to be to see how it drives on the highway, how responsive it is, if I'm throwing error codes like before, and then hopefully I don't have to revert back to the original Ranger. We'll see. And I put my sticker there. Getting gas. Charlie's there. We'll go over to the sticker wall. That's pretty cool. Kids will love this. That's a lot of jerky. So before we get to the next part, I want to fill you in on what happened. So I'd gotten off the highway in Utah at this alien Jackass Joe's UFO gas station. And while I'm getting gas, I walked in, obviously I toured the inside, but in my mind I'd started thinking I want to drive into Moab. But it was the unknown because I didn't know what I was doing, where I was going. I knew going to Green River, Utah was safe because my buddy had just camped there. But I decided to go against everything that was planned, and I decided I was driving into Moab. So I leave the gas station, and right as I'm leaving the gas station, I'm getting ready to pass under the interstate to continue towards Moab, and there's two Chevy Colorados coming off the exit, a white one and a maroon one. And the lady in the front passenger seat of the white Colorado is pointing at me as I'm driving by, and I didn't really think much of it. About a mile or two later, the two Chevy Colorados catch up to me. And I happen to have my radio on channel 5, I think honestly out of pure loneliness, because I'm on day 2 and I'm nervous as hell and I'm going into the unknown. And all of a sudden the radio comes to life and I hear one guy asking another one how much they thought my dirt box setup cost. Honestly, I was kind of afraid that they were gonna start talking trash about it being expensive, and so I kind of jumped in and we started conversing on the radio, and over the course of probably the next 10 minutes, we just got to know each other over the radio. We hadn't met in person, and you're gonna see what happens next.
I'm gonna do it, Scott. You're more than welcome to join us if you'd like.
Dude, 100%. I've got my dog in the back seat and my wife and kids are at home. 100% I'll do whatever trails as long as it's not crazy.
Love was holding all the cards and always kept me in the dark. I never thought I could shake this heartache until I saw your light, and it's got me feeling like life is good, yeah. Life is good, yeah. Yeah, in my darkest times, you got me feeling like I've been walking on air. Left all my worries and cares. I've got no burdens around you. I don't care who knows I love you. 'Cause I've been so lost without you. And in my darkest times, you got me feeling like life is good, yeah. Life is good,
How are we gonna come here and get caught in a rainstorm almost every day so far, Scott?
you got me feeling like
This is awesome. Holy hell. Oh shit, my window's open. Dave, oh. Alright, this sucks. It started hailing out of nowhere, and my back window is down. Oh, that wasn't as good as the first one.
So at the end of day 2, I had met two couples that were complete strangers, and by the end of the evening, we were friends. We sat around a campfire after getting hailed on. We just got to know each other. Oh, and the ladies made literally to date the best food I've had overlanding. But that night was pizza. Thanks for watching, and I'll be pumping these out as quick as I can, but they take a lot of work because I'm having to look up how to do everything. But stay tuned for the next episode.